In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Google Ads account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to open your browser, find the official Google Ads sign-in page, and access the exact account you need, whether it's a single account or a group of accounts under a manager profile. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Google Ads and press enter. You'll see several results, but focus on the official one from Google. Look for the listing that clearly says Google Ads and check that the URL points to a Google domain, such as ads.google.com. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're signing in securely. If you already know the address, you can also type it directly into the address bar to jump straight to the site. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, head to the top right corner and click Sign In. This takes you to the Google Sign In screen. If you're already signed into a Google account in your browser, you may see your email listed there. If it's the wrong one for ads, switch to the correct account before continuing. Enter the email address associated with your Google Ads account. If your organization uses a business identity, such as a company-managed Google Workspace email, sign in with those exact details. Click Next and enter your password carefully. If your organization requires additional security, you might see a verification prompt. Complete that as requested and then proceed. After signing in, one of two things will happen. If your email is linked to a single Google Ads account, you'll land directly in the account dashboard. If your email is connected to multiple accounts, such as a manager account with several clients, you'll see a list instead. Take a moment to choose the correct account by its name or by the 10-digit customer ID. That ID is the most reliable way to confirm you're opening the right profile, especially if several accounts have similar names. Click the account you want and you'll be taken to its dashboard. That's it. You've successfully logged in. If you ever have trouble, double check that you're using the right email, confirm the URL is the official Google Ads site, and use the on-screen recovery options if you've forgotten your password. Keeping your login details secure and using the correct business email will save time and prevent access issues later. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.